Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify customer support. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what you can do is simply head over to your online stores and create a page for help or contact. Then you can click on this customize option in your web builder, and here you can see we have different pages, like for example collection list, blog. And if you want to add another page, like for example if I want to incorporate help in here, I can add that and incorporate, like for example, a section in that page, and that will be having my number. So I can add a rich text, or maybe I can add image with text, something like that, or email sign up. Actually a contact form will help much better to contact, and that's how easily we can add this contact system or a Shopify customer support. They will be heading over to this section and writing their query, and eventually you will be able to reply back to them. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.